Hello everyone, DHL has just arrived with a really special surprise Ollie from OPPO. So let's check out what's inside. Wow! And here we have it. This is the exclusive Bai Ze Ollie. I hope I pronounced that correctly, but let's just take them out of the box. Wow! Okay, this looks fantastic. And here we have it. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, we've got one more thing. One last thing in the box. We've got a collector's card of the Ollie. That is so cool. And here we can see the different Ollie editions as well. So cute. Thanks so much OPPO for organising this. This is going to be such a nice addition to my collection of Ollies. Yeah, let's just do a little roundup. And there we have it. We've got our photographer Ollie, Bai Ze Ollie, and our tennis Ollie, which you probably have seen in my last unboxing. So cool, thank you so much OPPO, and I hope you enjoyed this little fun unboxing video.